Hello everyone, this is Ms. Sudha Valan from Srimati KG Shah Department of Computer Applications under Dr. BMN College of Home Science. I would like to welcome you all to the recorded session on structures of C programming. In C programming, there are multiple ways to store a data item. A variable is used to store one data item at a time. Arrays, on the contrary, are used to store multiple data items of similar type. But it is not always the case that the user wants to store a single value at a time or only a group of similar elements. What if he wants to store a group of different elements under one common name? C provides a structure for doing this job, which is a collection of several related variables under a single name. In the below given declaration, a rough format of a structure is created with the help of the keyword struct followed by the structure name, and here structure element 1, structure element 2 are its individual member declarations. Thus, a structure can be defined as a group of similar or different elements. That is, a structure is a collection of variables of different types under a single name. Structure can be created by using the struct keyword and declare each of its members inside the curly braces. Before structure variables are declared, it is needed to define its data type. Hence, a derived type struct student is created with attributes name, roll number and age. But when a struct type is declared, no storage or memory is allocated. To allocate memory for a given structure type, variables of that structure type has to be created. A structure declaration just names a type and specifies a sequence for the structure elements. Here's how a structure variable is created. Struct keyword followed by the structure name followed by list of structure variables. Hence, a student details like the name of the student, roll number and age can be stored together in a structure variable S as shown below. Structure variables can also be initialized where they are declared, provided they are in the same order as of its structure elements. But if one wants to initialize the members in any order, then that could be done by using designated initialization as shown in the following example. The elements of a structure are stored in a contiguous memory locations. Also, it is important to note that the memory is not allocated till a structure variable is declared. Structure members are accessed using dot operator. Consider the structure student with attributes name, roll number and age. Here, the age of the student can be accessed by writing s.age, where s is the variable of the structure student. All these concepts can be further explained better by using a C program. In this C program, a structure student with attributes name, roll number and age is created. A structure variable is declared, initialized and then displayed. Here, the printf statement shows how a structure element can be accessed with the help of a dot operator. On execution, this program produces an output of displaying the attributes of the structure student. After understanding the important concepts of a structure, Let us now see what a nested structure is. Structure within a structure is called a nested structure. That is, one structure declared inside another structure. This can be done using two different methods. In separate nested structure method, the two structures are created, but the dependent structure, here student structure, is used inside the main structure college as a member. And the embedded nested structure method allows to declare one structure inside the other. The following program demonstrates the use of these two methods for nesting a structure. Here, student is a dependent structure and college is a main structure. In the first method, both the structures are declared separately and the structure student, which is a dependent structure, is used as member inside the main structure college. Then a structure variable is initialized and then displayed. The element name of the dependent structure student can be accessed as C, which is the variable of main structure college, dot S, which is the variable of the dependent structure student, dot name, one of the attribute of structure student. On execution, this program displays all the attributes of the structure variable. Similarly, in the second program, the dependent structure student is declared inside the main structure college. Then a structure variable is initialized and displayed. On execution, this program displays all the attributes of the structure variable. Now moving ahead to understand array of structure. Why to use an array of structure? Consider a case where we need to store more than one student's data. Data of more than one student can be stored easily using a structure array as shown below. Structure array can be demonstrated with the help of a program. This program declares a structure array of size 2 that accepts inputs of 2 students and displays it through a for loop. On execution, information of 2 students are accepted in the structure array and the same is displayed. Next concept under structure is a structure pointer. A pointer that points to the address of the structure is known as structure pointer. C provides an arrow operator to refer to the structure elements using a pointer. For instance, name of the student using pointer can be referred as P arrow name. The concept of using a structure pointer can be better explained through this program, which first declares and initializes a structure variable. Then a structure pointer is declared and initialized, and the structure element is displayed through the structure pointer by using arrow operator. On execution, the structure elements are displayed on the screen. Next concept is passing structure variable to a function. Structure variable can be passed to a function using two methods. It can be either passed as individual structure elements or it can be passed as an entire structure variable. The following program demonstrates the use of these two methods for passing a structure variable to a function. The first program here passes individual structure elements to a function for displaying. and the second program passes the entire structure variable to the function for displaying the values. When these two programs are executed, the output is going to be displaying the structure elements.